Now let's add a fence going around our property, and I'm just going to start right here on my edge. I'm going to go 8 feet up and 6 inches down. And let's go ahead and close that, and let's make this into a group. And let's go ahead and add a little cap to this, and I'm going to just go out 1 inch. Let me type that in, 1 inch, and then 2 inches up. And let's go out 1 inch, 2 inches, and go ahead and close that. And this will be our profile for the fence that we will wrap around the property. And we're going to use the follow me tool to do this, but since our lands are since our property is sloping, we're going to have to drop this up and down a little bit. So what I'm going to do is going to drag it, and let's start dropping it down. Let's say 2 foot here. Come over here. Let's go maybe a 3 foot drop here. And I'm gonna be able to adjust this later, but I just want to draw something first. And looks like we're gonna bring it back up. Let's go up 2 feet, and let's bring it across. Let's go up again. 2 feet's a bit much. Let's just go 12 inches. And let's see if we can drag this across. And actually, let me come back here. We'll bring it up one more time. Just make sure you're on that blue axis, and let's go up. 2 feet's a bit much, so let's go 12 inches, and we'll bring it back over here, and we'll tie that back into our property there. Now what I'm going to have to do here is delete some of these lines, and I'll have to create a couple different fence segments and then just tie them all in together. Let me select my profile. I'm going to hit copy, and I'll go ahead and start my first one here. And I'm going to go ahead and make this its own group. And I'm going to need to rotate this 90 degrees. And let's connect it right there. And I'm just going to use the push-pull tool for this, since it's only pulling in one direction. Make that into a group. Actually, let's paste it here. Actually, let me grab this one. Copy. Paste. And now let's use follow me. Well, I actually did not get right on that, so let me connect it. Now let's use the follow me tool. And let's just follow this line that we made over here. And I don't want that connected, so I'm going to make this into a group. Now I'm going to select this face, copy, paste, snap to that point there, and drag this along the line here, stop there. Let's make this into its own group. Okay, I want to add it right here. And let's drag that. And one last time. I'm going to paste this right here and then hit the follow me tool. And I was not in that group when I pasted that, so let's cut this one more time. There we go. Edit, paste in place, and tools, follow me. All right. Now it's not quite on my property, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and merge all these layers. I think it's safe to do that now. Make it into one group. Open that up. And I'm going to explode all these groups within my group. And let's hit intersecting faces so that they all merge together. And now I'm going to just grab this whole section here and drag it inside. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Go ahead and drag this in here. And let me go ahead and drag this back portion in. And let's go ahead and let's just drop this in just, let's go down 12 inches. I don't need this anymore. Okay. So there we have our fence system. And go ahead and change that face. So now let's just add a couple more divisions in our surfaces so that we can apply the materials. I'm going to hide my terrain and my slab. So I just want to deal with the walls right now. And let's go ahead and select our wall surface here. And let's go ahead and create a division here and division there. And let's go ahead and push this in. Actually, no, let's push this one out 5 inches. And let's push this out 5 inches. Make that match there. And just going to kind of give it a little brick ledge. And let's go ahead and make a division here. And go ahead and drag this, and I'm going to shut off my roof layer because I just want to be dealing with my walls right now. Now I'm going to make a division in between these two, and the reason why I'm doing this is because we're about to apply layers of, we're about to apply materials, and I want to create some divisions where I can separate my material types. And let's go ahead and push this out 5 inches. And here I've just had to draw a line there to, for some reason it added another surface there that I do not want. Go ahead and clean that up while I'm at it. And let's create another division here. Okay. Now one thing I want to do is I want to match my window opening with this system, this wall system below it. Let's expand this window. Go ahead and make that match there. And let's go ahead and stretch this window. Let's go ahead and make it go all the way to the roof. Let's line up. Okay, that is already lining up. So you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another window to the bottom of this. And let me use one of these that I created, that it's already a group. And let's rotate this 90 degrees. And it is not a component, so I could go ahead and modify this and not have to worry about it affecting my other windows. Okay, and I think that may be all the surface changes that I want to address right now. So let's go ahead and unhide our roof, and let's unhide our terrain.